The issue of legal education has been on the minds of a lot of people. I have with me a lawyer, the Minister for Information, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, a lawyer himself. What would be your advice for the 305 individuals that have been called to the bar today?
No, I think the rules of the profession don't change. Like they say, the law is a jealous mistress. You have to spend all your time with her in continuous education and in continuously building your own capacity. And then the ethics that are required of a lawyer, the level of integrity and professionalism you bring to the service of your client and the greater public are things that never change. And that would be my advice to them.
And then just finally, you, as a lawyer yourself, you went through the system, the difficulties. How was it for you?
It is always difficult getting, first of all, admitted into the School of Law, especially also with the introduction of the Independent Examination Committee. And then the training itself is also a very rigorous one. It brings out the best in you at the end. But I am one of those who believes that without compromising on the standards, we need a lot more lawyers. And so we need to find some middle ground that allows a lot more people to get access and to have an opportunity to study because we need a lot more practitioners in the system, particularly in the public services, for example. Ministries, departments and agencies, for example, we should get to that level where we can have a lot of in-house counsel. But that all means that very generally we need a lot more, both in the public services and in the private services as well.
Just speaking about that, speaking about access, her ladyship mentioned that a new campus might be coming up. Yeah. What would be the impact on that for legal education in the country?
If you go to the current School of Law, and if you look at where we are in the 21st century, you could do with, may I say, a facelift. And the provision of some facilities that give students some more comfort and opportunity to practice within a good ambience, even for mock, presentations before the bench. So it should help service better training. But I think, like she said, that does not mean that the standards are to be reduced. So without compromising on the standards, we have to find ways by which we can get some more people in.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm grateful. So there you have him, the Minister for Information, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, lawyer himself, speaking to us.